This set is from CAT exam. So this is about performance evaluation of 5 cab drivers: Arun, Barun, Chandan, Damodar, and Imam, ABC and D, ABCDE of APP Cab Company. So it is about their monthly payment, which is based on ratings in 5 different parameters. So P1 to P5, P1 to P5 are some parameters on which their rating is given, and based on that, their monthly payment is done. So this rating is based on the feedback from the customer. Office assigns some rating, and each rating is an integer value. Final rating is average of his ratings. Okay, the monthly payment is fixed payment, and final rating based bonus. If a driver gets a rating of 1 in any of the parameter, he is not eligible to get bonus. So this is one of the important statement. Second is, to be eligible for a bonus, driver also needs to get a rating of 5 in at least one of the parameters. Okay, so this is very important. If he is scoring 1, he is not eligible to get bonus. Also, if to get bonus, he need to score 5 in at least one. Okay, so this is very important here. Next statement is partial information is given. Arun and Varun, A and B, have got rating of 5 in exactly one of the parameters. Okay, Chandan has got a rating of 5 in exactly 2 parameters. Okay, about D and E we don't have any information. None of driver has got the same rating in 3 parameters. Okay, so 2 parameters may they can have same rating but not more than 2. Okay, coming to, so first question is, if Damodaran does not get a bonus, what is the maximum possible value of his final rating? So to get maximum possible value without bonus, he should not have scored 5 in any parameter. So if 5 is not there in parameter and he has to score maximum, so in 2 it has to be 4, in 2 it has to be 3, and in 1 it has to be 2. This way he can get maximum rating. So it will be 8 and 8 16. So 16 out of 5 is his total rating. So average would be 3.2. The answer is fourth, 3.2. Okay, next question is, Iman gets a bonus. What is the minimum possible value of his final rating? Okay, so to get a bonus, he should score at least 5 in 1, and he should not score 1 in any. So minimum would be 2 rating, which he has scored in 2. Then next minimum would be 3. So this is his minimum possible rating to get bonus. So it will be 5 and 6 for 10, 15. 15 out of 5, so 3 would be his rating. Okay. Coming to the next question. If all 5 drivers get bonus, what is the minimum possible value of the monthly payment that the driver gets? Okay, so for all drivers to get bonus, they should score 5 at least one, right? So it will be, then minimum rating would be 2 in at least 2, and 3, right? Okay, so we see this is the rating which they have got, they should get to get the minimum possible value of monthly payment. So this way rating of B, C, D and E are same, that is average rating is 3, right? 3 is their average rating for B, C, D and E. For Arun, average rating would be 8, 11, 5, 16 by 5, that is 3.2, right? So their bonus would be, his bonus is 600. So Barun would get 3 to the 6, 600 plus 1200, that is 1800. His payment would be 1800. He would get 1700. He would get 1750. He would get 1700 again, and Arun would get 750 and somewhat more than 1750, right? Greater than 1750. So we see our least payment would be 1700, which Chandan and Imam would get. So answer is 1700 for this. Okay, now if all 5 drivers get bonus, what is the possible value of the monthly payment in rupees that a driver gets? Okay, so now all 5 drivers are getting bonus and we have to find maximum possible value. Okay, for maximum possible value, the rating should be near maximum. So it would be, we'll do it again, and we'll write what should be the maximum. So I'll erase this, what I have written earlier. Just give me a second. Okay, so for maximum rating, maximum possible value, they should get 5 in at least 2, right, everyone? Next, they should get 4 in at least 2. Next, they should get 3 in remaining, right? So our rating would be, average rating we can find from here. So it is 10, 18, 21. So for Arun it is 4.2. Similarly for 5, 5, 4, 4, 3. Here also Damodran also and Barun also 4.2 we have rating. 10, 18, 20. So this will be 4. This also 4 rating. So their payment would be, so for easy calculation, 4.2 into 250. So 250 into 4 is 1000, we know. 0.2 means 1/5 of 250, so 50. So 1050 plus 1000, so this will be 2050. Again, this will be 840. This will be 2040. Next one would be 4 times of 100 and 1800. Next is 150 into 4.2 is 600 and 630 and 1930. This will be 8 and 1900. So we see maximum is 2050. Okay. So in this question, you could have gone with the options also. So once you have found the Arun's final payment 2050, so you can see in the option that is the maximum one. So you could have straight away marked 4 instead of calculating for all the others also, है ना? So this way you could have saved some time also.